In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WhatsApp to N8N. We'll keep things simple and clear, following 4 core actions. First, head to N8N. Open your N8N instance, whether you're using the cloud version or a self-hosted setup, and sign in. From the dashboard, create a clean space to work in so there's nothing interfering with what we're about to build. If you've been away from N8N for a while, it's a good idea to update to a recent version to make sure all relevant nodes are available and stable. Next, create a workflow, then search for it. Click to create a new workflow and give it a descriptive name so you can find it later, something like WhatsApp to N8N. On the blank canvas, open the node panel and use the search bar to look for WhatsApp. Depending on your version, you should see a WhatsApp or WhatsApp Cloud option. Add that to the canvas. If you don't see a dedicated WhatsApp node, you can still proceed by using an HTTP request node later and calling the WhatsApp Cloud API directly, but the dedicated node makes setup easier and clearer. Now, set up the credentials by heading to Meta Business and create what you need. In a separate tab, open your Meta Business or Meta for Developers dashboard. Make sure you have a WhatsApp business account and that the WhatsApp product is added to your app. From there, gather the essentials you'll need for N8N: your WhatsApp business account ID, your phone number ID, and a long-lived access token. Meta's interface labels may vary slightly, but look for the WhatsApp section under your app, then the Getting Started or API Setup area to generate an access token and view the IDs. Keep these values secure. Don't share or expose them publicly, and avoid pasting them into places that might be logged or recorded. Finally, create a new account for WhatsApp in N8N. Copy the IDs and keys and paste them in. Go back to N8N, open the Credentials panel from the WhatsApp node, and choose to add new credentials. You'll see fields for the access token, the phone number ID, and sometimes the business account ID. Paste each value carefully, double-checking for extra spaces. Save your credentials, then select them in the node. Most N8N nodes offer a quick credential test run to confirm N8N can talk to the WhatsApp API. Once the test succeeds, your workflow is now connected and ready to use these credentials whenever you need to send or receive WhatsApp data within N8N. And that's it. You've connected WhatsApp to N8N by opening N8N, creating a workflow, and finding the WhatsApp node, setting up your credentials in Meta Business, and pasting those secure details back into N8N.